Hello guys, our topic is about if function. If function have three parts or arguments: logical test, value if true, value if false. So each part separated by comma. This one, like here, this one, and this one, and this one. Logical test something such as the value in a cell. Example here. So this is example of the value of the cell. And here the second arguments specify what should happen if the test result is true. If I put love here, so should be the result is, let's say, 143. Meaning if this is, let's say, mad, so otherwise the result is sad. So meaning this false specify what should happen if the test result is false. So this is the argument of the if function. I will give you example. Okay, I will put here mad and I will put here love. So this is our test for this one. First, we'll press equal. Look, if, so I will type F function, then press tab. Now there is a first argument is the logical test here. So I will select this cell here, love. So meaning if this B, this one, this is the column, and 20 emphasize the row. So if this B20 equals love, then double quote, I will type comma, then I will put 143. Then another argument, if this is not love, or if this like mad, again another separate is comma, then I will put sad. So if this cell is not love, meaning either mad or ugly, so should be coming sad because this is the false. Otherwise, if this value is love here, which I emphasize as our logical test, should be coming is 143. Now, as you can notice here, love, I put double quote, and here number 143, I did not put any double quotes. Meaning, if our value is alphabetical character, so we should put the double quote. And if our value is numeric, so no need to put the double quote. Okay, now I will put the close parenthesis. As you notice here, after if, there is a one open parenthesis and should be end by one close parenthesis. Now, since this is love, so it should be coming here, the result of this our logical test should be 143. I will hit enter. Look, the result is 143. So what if I change this mad? Look what happened. So I will highlight this one so that you will see the result. So this is 143. Why? Because I will delete this one. 143 because here our logical test is love. So meaning, since this is love here, look, love, so the result should be this one is true, 1, 4, 3. Otherwise, if I put other or mad, should be here coming sad. So I will type a mad. Then I will hit enter. Look, this is sad. So if I will interchange this one here, what if I put here love or sad? Here, sad. So now our true result should be here, should be example 0, because this is numerical. If sad, so meaning here should be coming 0. Otherwise, here we'll put happy here. So now I change our logical test. Instead of love, I will put sad. So meaning, if I will put sad, the true value should be 0. Otherwise, if I will put love, it's coming here happy, because this is our false value of our logical test. Okay, I will hit enter. So now happy. Why? Because I put here sad. So if I put sad here, look what happened. Should be coming here is 0. I will hit enter. Look what happened. Now become 0. So this is how to use the simple if function. Okay, another example here. Let's say I will put all by number here. We'll use this one. If this cell, okay, I will type again. I will delete this one. I will delete this one. I will give you a new logical test. Let's see, I will put this one 5. Here 5. So meaning, if this one is 5, should be here true, I will put 5 here. Otherwise, it's coming 0. Now we'll put our if function or our logical test. So if this cell B20 equal 5, so I did not put a double quote because this is a numeric value. So if this B20 cell B25, so true should be 5. Look, I put a double quote because this is the alphabetical character, then separate by comma. So if this one is not 5, so meaning I will put here 0. So if you put numeric value, no need to put the double quote, then close parenthesis. Now I will hit enter. Look what happened. So this is 5 because here is 5. If I will put here 3 here, because here I will put logical, this one is 5 here. If this one 5, so meaning it's coming the through is 5, or otherwise the result is 0. So I will put 3. This one should be 0, so I will put 3. Okay, look, this is the result. Okay, I will give you the example. Here we have another example. This is the actual as per our employee list. So we'll type, we'll press equals, then we'll use our if function. If this performance here, if performance equals 6, then our the true increase should be let's say 3,000. Otherwise, if not, his performance is only 2 or 5.4 here, 5.4, meaning his increase only 100. So sad. Then close parenthesis. I will hit enter. Okay, look. Increase is 3,000 because his performance is 6. Okay, I will copy this one, drag down. The other employee increase only 100. Why? Because I put here our logical test 6. So if I change this one by 7, look what happened. It's all 100 because here the value is equals 7 here. 7. If I copy here, look what happened to Juliet Lagrama because his performance, her performance is 7. Look what happened. Now here increase is 3,000. So let's see another. If I will put here 5, so the increase should be 500. Here, look, again it will return 100 because our false value should be 100. Okay, we will copy. Look, this one is only have an increase. Okay, another example. We will change our logical test. If their performance is more than or equal to 6, meaning more than 6 or equal 6, then this should have a increase of 5,000. Here, I will copy. Here. Now, this first and second employee have an increase of 5,000 because their performance is more than 6, which is here 7, and here also equal 6 here. That's why their increase is 5,000, and the rest is 100 because their performance is 5 and 4. So another, if I let's say will change this their performance to 2, look, this one will become 100. If I will type here 7, which is more than a 6, so it's showing 5,000. If I will put also 8, 5,009, and so this is how to use our simple if function. Thank you and God bless.